Do you worry about different booth size but with limited budget? Do you worry about building complicated booths? No worries, our SEG Pro system can help you solve all the problems. Firstly, our SEG Pro system is mapping structure. Tool-free design makes the assembly easier and faster. Secondly, we have off-the-shelf connectors to allow several modular light boxes, combine them and a different shaped booth. Finally, modular structure. For example, if customers buy a 3x2 meter light box, they can take some profiles out to be 2x2 meters. So, if customers buy a large one, they can get more options to meet different size needs. Choose us, choose our SEG Pro system.